Today we are with a new Dacia Duster Full Hybrid 2024 version, and I want to take you on a twisty road, really interesting road. And because Dacia claim that they improve the suspension, they make it stiffer, it should be much more fun to drive, the handling should be better, and also the steering should be better. And I tried before. I want to give you a hint before we start driving, and definitely it's much better than the previous version, and it's definitely fun to drive. So first of all, the technical data, I will leave it in the description. I have separate video for that. In this video we just drive and enjoy it. Shift by wire transmission, automatic transmission, because this is the full hybrid version. It comes with 2 electric motors, 149 horsepower, one like a starter, plus the petrol engine, 1.6 liter, 4 cylinders in line. 140 horsepower is the total speed of the car. We have the drive mode and the B mode, where the car will regenerate the energy when we release the acceleration pedal. I will also reset the consumption, so if you are curious to see the consumption in the end of the trip, stay close to see it. Now we are in drive mode. Also, if you miss the off-road video on my channel, check it out, because it's really interesting. We get the car off-road and was fantastic. Also, the great part with this Dacia Duster is that you can go off-road with it and it's without any problem. You can drive on the highway, high speed. It's a great cruiser. You can drive in the city with this full hybrid, up to 80% only in electric mode, something that's fantastic. And new now, with those new stiffer suspension and better anti-roll bars, you can also have some fun with the car on those twisty roads. And I noticed that it's much better. The steering design with the grip, it's fantastic. Definitely love it, man. Look at this. The suspension are also better. All the articulation on the suspension and dampers are much more silent than before. Look at this in the curves. Bro, it's so fun to drive even on the mountains. It's such a good all-rounder with a fantastic price. I don't know if it's any car out there on the market today to offer you what this Dacia Duster offer you in this price. 27,000, a full family SUV with a lot of performance, off-road performance, efficient, great economy. It's crazy. Love it. Love to drive it, man. You have to try it. If you don't believe me, just go and make a test drive. See for yourself. Look how beautiful it is here. Maybe we find a nice place where I can take some pictures. Look at the sea there. We are in Spain to test this Duster, and oh my god. Oh, it's so fun. Love it. Crazy nice. Wow. Love the steering wheel. Such a nice grip. Wow. Such a nice grip, man. It feels so cool. The brakes are great. Visibility is fantastic. Position in the seats, you have those side support, hold you super well. Navigation system, the multimedia system tilted to the driver, everything, it's easy to reach out. Physical buttons. I don't know if it's something that's missing on this car. I think you have everything here that you need. This car in front that we have to wait for, but other than that, it's wow, it's really fun. Look at this in this big curve. Now here on this twisty road, you understand how they improve those anti-roll bars and the suspension and dampers. 21% better stability on the only on the four-wheel drive version. It's 17%. Also, the sound insulation was improved with 2 decibels, and you can definitely feel that. Oh wow, 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 wow. It stays so good. Yeah, the handlings are much better. Look how beautiful it is here. Check it out. Maybe we find a place to park the car. You can see the ocean there. Crazy nice. No problem, man. The car is doing such a good job. Even if we go uphill, you feel like you have plenty of power. You can see also the off-road information, the position of the car. Whoa, nice. Really nice. Love it, man, love it, really love it. And here, this road, it's pretty bumpy, and the comfort, it's super nice. Twisty road ahead. I'm driving too fast for those guys ahead to be able to test a little bit the car, maybe drive a little bit slower and then pick up the rhythm. You can see right now when you drive slowly like that, you drive only in electric mode. So it's so silent. Every time you go in the city, the car is turning to electric mode, and now it's kicking the engine and it's working together with the electric motor. So nice. I never believed I would say that Dacia Duster is fun to drive on twisty roads, but it is. Definitely much better than I was expected. They deliver more than expected, so that's a big plus. Yeah, let me go here. Let me go here a little bit, guys. Check this out. Ooh, even over those bumps, it's doing fantastic. Check this out, how beautiful it is. I will make a few pictures and then we will start driving again. Let's go back on the road, put it in B mode, and let's drive it. Every time you start driving and you have the electronic handbrake on, it will automatically deactivate in the moment when you will press the acceleration. That's really super useful. Probably the only thing that's missing, it's an auto hold function. Other than that, everything else it seems to be perfect. Now back to fun. Oh, look at this, guys. These areas here are fantastic. Whoa. Man, it stays so good on the ground. Definitely they improve the handlings. And I don't even need to use the brake. If you anticipate well the road ahead, you don't even need the brakes, because the car will regenerate the energy back when you release the acceleration. Such a nice car. I think Dacia will kill it with this Duster. I think we'll... Oh, boy, oh boy. Look at this, how I take these curves with 70 without any problem. on the track. Oh, oh, it's so nice. I don't want to scare these guys. I'll go a little bit on the side. Really respect the bicyclettes and the bikers. Oh God, it's so fun. Look at this. Man, it stays so good on the curves. Whew. Whoa. Phenomenal. Wow. Boy, what? You don't feel that. The handlings, it's fantastic. You don't feel oversteer, understeer. It's just perfect setup. The steering, it's perfect setup between, let's say, comfort and sportivity. Crazy fun. Anyway, guys, I just want to take you with me on this short trip to see how fun it is to drive the car, even on the sharp, let's say, twisty roads. It's incredible, really. Anyway, guys, if you have any question, I wait your questions down below. I wait your feedbacks down below. I'm really curious what you think about the car, and after you drive it, leave me your feedback and tell me I was right or not. That's fun to drive on twisty roads. Yeah, Dacia nailed it again with this new Duster. Hoo, hoo, hoo. Dacia nailed it again, man. Fantastic car. Love it. Okay, we will stop now on the next parking area. And the steering, look at the grip, how cool you can grip it. It's much more direct feeling to the steering. Perfect setup. Great job to the engineers that work on this steering and suspension and all this hybrid system, and the fact that they give to the people affordable car with a great performance, great efficiency, and also pretty practical. This car is for those of you that know how to choose a car. I will stop here for a while. And look at this. This is a little bit off-road, no problem. A little bit bumpy road, no problem, sir. The car is doing lovely. Okay, that was the trip, guys. I hope you enjoyed. Put it in park, and that's it. Consumption doesn't matter. I drive anyway, 12. Drive super aggressive, but fantastic car. I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe. Stay close to see more videos like that. Have your question. If you have question, ask me down below. Thank you for watching. Amazing car. Really love this new Dacia Duster. You should try it too, and leave me down the comments what you think about it. Thank you for watching. Stay safe, and I see you soon in the next one. Bye, guys. Love you all.